Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So today's job now is we have this IAE dehorning crate. So the wooden bit here has, well, you see plywood's all had it. So I'm taking off now only 3 coach bolts, 13mm nuts, and I'll cut new one out. So I bought myself a new tool for this. I should really be sponsored by Screwfix. So Titan Jigsaw. We've finished selling McAllister, but I reckon it's just the same to us here. And we do Titan now. Right, got myself some plywood, only off-cut I could find. Has a bit of knot here, but as you can see I've worked around it. So placed the old one on top. When I traced around it with some pencil. So you got the main thing now, when you get this paper bag, and this has a depth gauge in it, and comes with one metal and one wood saw. So on these, both sides aren't actually the same, so it doesn't matter anyway, but job's done anyway. Just need to take the mouse under and go around, get rid of the sharp edges. This ply isn't that good really, but it's better than that anyway. So I'll keep this in the shed for a pattern and see if I can get some better stuff, maybe some marine ply with some plastic on it. So this worked quite good really. So you have a knob at the top here for speeds, so then you have here for adjusting your blade angle, see if the rollers move back. But yeah, I'm not sure why you do that, but whatever. Trigger there, and you can put a hover on the back here. So first job, it worked really good. Only thing, going around the sharp corners, I had to sort of nibble away. So here we go. On the corners, I had to nibble away a bit so the blade itself could actually twist in the hole. So that was the only snag, but came out quite good really. So I'll knock these coach bolts out of this and use this as a guide to drill through this as well, and we'll sand away the sharp corners and call it a day really. So job done. The blade arrangement is something similar to a sawzall, so give it a twist and, well, see, popped out. So when you're putting in, just give it a twist over and it'll pop in and then lock down. So my review of this now, I've never used a Jigsaw before, so it's quite easy to use really. Yeah, the controls are pretty straightforward. This is, like I said, a speed at the top there and trigger there. I think the one side you can hold it on, but I wouldn't really want to do that. And you get a nice Allen key that's actually attached to cord. I forgot to say about that. You also get 2 years warranty, I think, with this, but I'll put up just in case. Yeah, quite impressed really for the price of it. It did a really good job. Thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.